I guess you could say that I'm getting obsessed with the fame, the glory of the lights, and trying to embrace it as the story of my life. Errors in my past, can't afford to make them right, so I recollect in every single record that I write. Steady looking back on plans I had to get it in. Large cash with small bags to fit it in. Girls I attract, breaking down dividends, came one and the same, pretty ass synonyms. I tried to put them aside the day I found you. You were like a brand new song to move around to, and every time I was trying to be a star just so I could situate you with the stars that surround you. Your laughs can't disguise the fact you're really crying, and discover the facts, and if I'm really lying. In a minute my fame started solidifying, I became the nigga your conscience started penalizing. And it's hard, baby, that I understand. I know sometimes you feel you're staring at a different man, and even though you know I'm in it with a mind for success, I can promise you the rest wasn't in the plans. All the late night texts from my Twitter fans, reminisce of love coming from other women's hands. Go figure, girl, you got a smooth nigga, but that very same swag got me constantly in a jam. Go figure, I'm just trying to figure out how the fuck to get these bigger figures for a bigger house. It's crazy cause the more my fan base thickens out, you be steady finding more shit to talk shit about. Ex-girl trying to make a visit to the house, not accepting that I'm something she gon' have to live without. My new girl steady on her fucking iPhone, so I can't lie and say that I ain't living with some doubts. And that's a cold feeling, but I swear, Lord willing, I'm just trying to kill the game so we can make a little killing. I'm here to entertain, this is just the way I'm living. I don't feel like I should have to ask for your forgivingness, miss. I know you wish you never fell in love. I know sometimes you think my lifestyle is hell above, and they say nothing is impossible, but baby girl, I promise you that Hallmark couldn't find a better love. So if you ever had a doubt, you should reconsider. Open your eyes, recognize a decent nigga, cause it's a struggle when you trying to be the best, especially when your friends doubt you and try to take your breath. Louis shades, they can hide the inner pain, but they can never take away the pressure with the fame. And all these hoes probably thinking that I'm living vain, cause I turn cold every single time the winter came. I guess it's all a part of life when you're getting older, learning how to greet the lames with a different shoulder. Transition from a whole flock full of sideline hoes to a certified centerfolder. And girlfriends change with the season, but honestly I'm hoping you'll remain for a reason. Not because you're pretty or because of your brain, but because without your loving I would probably go insane, and I'm already crazy. Blame it on the public, same old bullshit, 100 different subjects. Everybody listen, but they'll never understand. This is more than just a hit, this is everything I am. So when it comes to stunting, I am everything and more. Coming through and shit that they ain't never seen before. Chicks saying that I'm everything that they adore, so I guess that I was made just for entertaining hoes. But I couldn't give a fuck, cause they ain't who I do it for. I put this shit in words, but I'm speaking from my core, spilling out my heart, soul leaking on the floor. This is whole rated R, fuck leaving out the guard. Yeah mama, I'm guessing that you didn't know, my life is Cinemax, wrapped in a Disney show. And to all you niggas who say I don't rap are the same niggas who stand pat, never succeeding, and it's self-receding. I'ma be here while you niggas stay greedy, but I'ma do my thing and I'm gonna do it hot. Everybody know it, that's why I'm on the top. Yeah.